Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In today's video I will share with you a couple of gift ideas. I started out by cutting these beautiful 3D star treat boxes from Scrap Diva out, and you can see this is the smallest one of the two I have here on screen. I am pinching with my fingers where the score lines are, so I can help the paper to fold nicely into the star shape. This is in real time. I will soon speed it up for you, so don't you worry. But that is how slow I'm going to get the creasing going. And now I'm starting to the other side, doing the same thing here, so we can get that star shape to come to life. So when we have all of this folded, you can see how the star is looking. So that is a really cute little gift box. And to close this off, I figured that if you are pulling every other from every other side, it will be closed by itself. I hope that makes sense. So one over and one under, and we go round and round, and then it will be perfectly closed, and you don't need to use any adhesive to have these two closed. You can see how small these little guys are. So this is the smallest one that we created together, and this is the larger one. You can see that it's quite a big difference between them. You could run these through your standard machine with one pass, and you could also, if you have pattern papers that are a little bit longer, you can use those. For the embellishment part of this, I created a stunning flower using vellum, and this one comes from the fringed flowers set number 2, and some gold leaves from my favorite flower die set from Scrap Diva. So you can see it here on screen, and it comes undone. I don't know why, guys, it just didn't work for me the first time. I actually used some liquid glue later on. For the second one, I used some ephemera just to have it on top. I hope you can see how cute that just turned out. The leaves are from another Scrap Diva die set. For my second idea for presents, I used the bee bag chopper, and it was just so cute. Here is one of them, and it comes like mirrored, so you can see here I put one together so you can get an idea of what I'm doing here on screen. And when I saw this die set, I was a little bit intimidated because there was all of these pieces and I didn't know where everything was gonna go. But when I started looking at it and cutting some of the pieces that I actually figured out, it all came together and it was just adorable. And you will have plenty of inspiration on the website. I will have it linked down below, and I will also have a coupon code, so if you're using my coupon code, you will get 10% off any purchase that you do from Scrap Diva. I don't think that include the bundles. I don't think so. You can try and put it in your basket and see what happens, but I don't think that is will include it, but you can try it. But anyway, I get my die since I'm on her design team a little bit earlier, but you will have a ton of inspiration on the website itself. But if you ever find yourself in a situation you don't know what to do with your dies, just look at them. They are pretty easy and nice to put together. So here is a little plastic bag, perfect for gifting, and I have my bag chopper here, but I wanted it to close. So what I will do is actually cut the base pieces one more time, cut off the top part of these, and then I will have this backing part outside of the bag. Really important. This is the back part outside of the bag, and then I will take some adhesive. This is just some strong score tape that I'm using, and then I will peel it off and press it down, still on the outside of my box, and I have that magnetic tape on the inside. Then I'm doing the same thing. Of course I did it with the wrong one because this is the front flap, but you will see here I have to do it one more time, and that of course I will use in a second here. So now I can take this and press it in place. Super sweet. And some liquid glue for the top. And then we're going to do the same thing for our front piece here. So I'm just laying my magnet down, making sure that they are gripping together, and then I'm just closing it on itself. Picking up the magnet, since I had the sticky part facing up, and then I'm taking that other part and having this closed. Of course I needed to rip this off because it was a little bit wonky. It always is wonky when I'm creating, I don't know why. And then we can do it again, and now you can see it really locks in place. And to make this a little bit more festive, I took some strings that I found in my stash and just put it in my little baggie, and then you can put your gift when you are ready to give it away to recipient. So here you have 2 different ways of gifting, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know we had a video hop last week or so, maybe it's 2 weeks ago, and many of you liked gifts and wanted some more gift ideas. So here you go, you have 2 more. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will soon be back with some more content. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I see you soon.